Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa last longer. To begin, always use fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best results. Ensure all your vegetables are thoroughly washed and dried before chopping. This initial step helps reduce bacteria that can cause spoilage. Also, consider the type of tomatoes you use. Firmer varieties often hold up better. The right ingredients are key. For optimal shelf life, incorporate plenty of acidic elements like lime juice or vinegar. Aim for at least 1/4 cup of citrus juice per 2 cups of salsa. This acidity lowers the pH, creating an environment less hospitable for bacteria. Also, finely dicing ingredients can help them absorb the preserving agents more effectively. Proper storage is vital for extending your salsa's life. Always transfer your homemade salsa into clean, airtight glass jars or containers. Make sure to fill them as much as possible to minimize air exposure. Press a layer of plastic wrapped directly onto the surface of the salsa before sealing the lid. This creates an extra barrier against oxygen, which causes spoilage. For even longer preservation, freezing is an excellent option. Portion your salsa into freezer-safe bags or containers, leaving about 1 inch of headspace for expansion. When you're ready to enjoy it, thaw the salsa slowly in the refrigerator. This method can extend its freshness for up to 3 to 4 months. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.